Heat golden ratio sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons gochujang, 1 tablespoon fine chili powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon allulose. Swapping sugar for allulose prevents sudden blood sugar spikes while preserving that glossy, satisfying sweetness. Pour the kelp broth into a wide skillet, or if you don't have broth, just add a spoonful of dashita seasoning to water. Stir in the sauce and bring it to a simmer, then drop in your rice cakes and fish cakes. As the starch from the rice cakes breaks down, it naturally thickens the sauce through emulsification, coating every single piece evenly. Now the plating. Carefully stack the rice cakes on a matte black ceramic plate. If you want to make fat loss-friendly tteokbokki, swap regular rice cakes for konjac or buckwheat rice cakes. This prevents blood sugar spikes and turns it into a healthy dish.